Welcome back. My name is Munza once again, and we're going to continue with episode 2 of our EmbeddedTrack platform tutorials. In the last episode, I walked you through the user interface to show you where each icon is and the various sections on the user interface. In this episode, we are going to be focusing on the map features and what is available on the map features. So one of the good things about the EmbeddedTrack platform is the fact that we have multiple map options. So here you can see that we have 11 different map options, and this is the way they look. So the OSM map look like this, and Google Streets look like this. Google Satellite looks like this. Mapbox Streets look like this. So here we give you varieties. You can choose based on your preference and based on the asset you are tracking. So if you are tracking a mining equipment, you may prefer a different map option. If you are tracking a tractor, you may prefer a different map option. For tractors, you can focus on Google Satellite so that you can see in real time or in practical times how the tractor moved. Then, like I said, here is the zoom in and zoom out button. This you click to enable or disable the icons of each object. An object is a vehicle or any asset you are tracking. This one is to enable text, so you can keep the icon and make the text disappear. This enable markers. If you place a marker anywhere to say this is a particular location of this nature. This disable routes. This disable zone. So if I click on this, you see that some zones disappear. So for instance, this ETRAC installation point is a zone, and then if we zoom out, if we zoom in, you see it's an installation point here. Then you can use this to disable or enable clusters. Let's go back to this again. So clusters is where 2 or more assets are listed. So you can enable or disable clusters according to need. While this will help you to put every object in a particular account into one map view so that you can be able to see everything together. While this is a measuring tool you can use to measure distance between one point to the other, whether along the movement routes of a vehicle or between two locations, close by locations. While this is a land measurement tool that we discuss, well, it's going to be discussed extensively in episode 7. Now, to see some of the features of the map, let's go to this matrix and look at what actually happened today with this Toyota matrix. So this is the total trip that was made with this vehicle today. So to make all these E points disappear, we click on this to make them disappear. P points are parking points. We click on this to make them disappear. So for more details, like I said about the measurement tool, if you want to measure the distance from one place to the other, let's say I want to measure from this junction to this bridge over here, you can see it's 2.69 kilometers. You can measure that here. And to disable the tool, click on this, it will make the tool disappear. So that is how to use this particular tool. We'll look at the history of a tractor, let's say for today, and see what happened so that we can see what you can do with the measurement feature, with the area measurement feature. So this is the tractor in real time. We can see here that it is working on a farm. And to give more context to this view, let's switch the map to satellite so that we can see. Now you can see that this is a farm and then the tractor is presently working on this farm. So to measure what has been done on this farm, you click on the measurement tool, you click on this point, you click on this point, on this point, and this point. Then you click on the first point to show that this is the total size of the farm, 2.0 hectares. We can see it from here. So this